YouTube channel. My name is Octavia, aka Double O Styles, and welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you are new to me, make sure you press the subscribe button so you can get a notification for when I post that next video, okay? Today we'll be doing a protective style, a new style that's been trending lately these days, which is the crisscross hairstyle that you've been seeing on your timeline, I'm sure on Facebook or Instagram, whatever. I'm sure you've seen it. And I will have crochet hair going in the back. So this is the hair that I have, and it is a Afro twist, perfect kinky texture, and it is from the brand Authentic. And shout out to SamsBeauty for providing this hair. I am able to do this crisscross and crochet hair in the back and make this style look very pretty, okay? So make sure you guys stay tuned in.
First things first, you're going to part your hair into two parts, and then I start off parting one section that I will be crisscrossing, and I'm adding gel and I'm adding moisturizer to it, and I am separating into two different parts just so I can prepare to crisscross. I begin to brush this one out, add a rubber band in there, same for this section. I'm repeatedly throughout the whole head, I'll be adding rubber bands, sectioning it off into two sections and repeating and basically doing the same thing. So this is 3 rows that I've done for one side of my head, and I am twisting my real hair just so I can crisscross, add that piece together and put a rubber band through that. Make sure that stays all in together. So you'll be doing this process through the whole top part. It's like a repetitive, quick stage, but make sure you're adding gel moisturizer to your hair so when you're twisting it around, it looks very shiny, it looks very neat and up to date. The total amount of rows that you should have is 6. So 3 for each side, which was easier for me to split down the middle of my head to decide what's going to be the middle. 2 will combine, the center 2 will combine, and the last 2 will combine. So that will make 6 rows and 3 sections. So yes, this part is very easy and repetitive, as you can see. So yeah. As you can see, it is complete on the top. I am so glad it's much easier than I imagined. And so now I am combing through the back of my head, and I am braiding through, adding the additional pieces from the top part and braiding my hair through the back. And for me, I just braided them small. They weren't perfect. They weren't parted perfectly, because since the hair is thick enough, you won't be able to see the braids. So just braid it small enough, but not too small, not too big, like a medium size. So you'll be able to attach the crochet hair within and have enough, but not too much hair. Since I finished braiding the rest of my hair, I am twisting the back of my hair, wrapping that, putting a rubber band around it, and twisting it to where I'm able to tuck in my braids and not harming it, but just making sure I'm hiding it enough to where if I add the hair, you won't be able to see it. And even though that knot is kind of back there, the hair is thick, like I said before, enough to cover that up. It's long enough to cover that up. I'm definitely making it a goal to use minimum hairpins so I won't be sticking my hair, but enough to pin it up. It's crochet time. With this section, all you need is your crochet needle and the hair. And what I love about this hair is that it was already separated. I was thinking, okay, how much hair am I going to have to pull? Am I going to pull them out the same amount for each time? Because I'm not going to know nothing about that. But perfect thing about it is that each of these packs, they have the hair where it's already separated. So all you're doing is just pulling it out, and then you're sticking your crochet needle under your braid, just like that. Okay, watch me. Stick your crochet needle under your braid, stick the hair, the middle of the hair into the needle and close it, and then you're pulling your braid back underneath, and then the loop right there, you're just going to pull that hair through and pull it. Easy people, let's not overthink this. This is super easy, and you're just doing this for each braid and adding the hair that you want for each braid and making sure you're filling up that part, making sure no braid is being shown or no areas is exposed. And yeah, pretty easy, you guys. All you're doing is doing repetitiveness through this whole process. I think altogether I used 4 packs, but barely 4 packs. I used all of 3 packs, but to fill in certain spots that I felt was kind of visible, I did use a few, maybe 3 to 4 pieces from the 4th pack. And it was perfect because I thought I was going to need more, but I really didn't need as much hair as I imagined. I'm not going to show the whole time of me doing this, but I just wanted you to overall see what I had to do to fill up this hair, how to apply the hair, how to do the crisscross, and I hope this guys explained it perfectly how to do this. Hairstyle is complete, hair is full, and it's lit. And you can do it in different ways, baby. Put that thing up like that. I just put my hair in these 2 ponytails just now, and I think that's how I'm gonna wear it. That's how I'm gonna wear it. With my 2 ponytails and some hair left in the back. You see it? That's how it's gonna be. And I'm gonna bring something right here to the front. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoyed this hair, this crochet hair. Let me know in the comments what you think, and thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.